Okay, grade 7, we have another part of this lesson. It's about how do humans hear sound? How do humans hear sound? Humans hear or detect sound with their ears. This is your ear. Okay, the ear acts like funnel for sound waves. Okay, the ear directs sound vibrations from the environment into the inner ear. Okay. Where the vibrations are converted to electrical signals. The electrical signals are sent to the brain, and which interprets them as sound. Okay, here the process of how do your ears hear sound, but in more details. Okay, first of all, your ears consists of three parts. Your ears consist of three parts. Part 1, it's the outer ear. It's the outer ear, and middle ear, and inner ear. Again, outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The outer ear consists of pinna. This is called pinna. This is called pinna. Ear canal, pinna, ear canal, and eardrum. Pinna, ear canal, and eardrum. The middle ear consists of three tiny bones, which are hammer, anvil, stirrup. Hammer, anvil, stirrup. Again, hammer, anvil, stirrup. Do you know that stirrup is the smallest bone in your body? Yeah. Okay, what about the inner ear? It consists of this snail shape, which is called cochlea, This cochlea contains fluid and thousands of tiny hairs. Okay? Okay, miss, what about the process, how the sound enters from our ear to our brain, and how can we hear the sound? Okay, sound from the environment, okay, enters the outer ear through the pinna, travels through the ear canal, and reaches the eardrum. Okay, what about the eardrum does? The eardrum is a thin membrane. It's a very thin membrane that is stretched tightly over the entrance of the middle ear, which consists of three bones. Okay, the compression and rarefactions. What? Compression and rarefaction? What about the compression and rarefaction? It's the sound. Because we said before, the sound, it's a kind of back and forth vibration in the particles or in the medium. Okay, so the compression and the vibration in the particles, in the environment, in the medium. Okay, compression, which are the particles are so close together, and rarefaction, which the particles are spread apart. So the eardrum transfers the vibrations to the tiny three bones. Okay, then the eardrum vibrates the hammer vibrates the anvil, and anvil vibrates the stirrup, and then all of those vibrates the cochlea. Okay, then what about here? The vibration pass through the oval window, which is the snail shape, which is the cochlea, which has thousands of nerve cells, or which are called tiny hairs. Okay, so the tiny hairs take the vibrations and converted them to electrical signals, which is sent to the brain by the auditory nerve. Okay, and you can hear. Again, so the vibration enters from the outer ear to the middle ear to the ear canal. Okay, to the inner ear. So from the pinna, ear canal, eardrum vibrates the hammer, anvil, stirrup, to the cochlea, the tiny hair.